Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install iOS 14 on your phone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general. It will be under screen time, so just open the general, and in the general you need to find software updates, so just click here and just check for update. So just check until the system will show to you, check the latest update and show to you what updates you can install, and just check if you are successfully connected to Wi-Fi, because you need to have good connection to download the latest software. Here you can see, because it capacity it's not little, so it takes about 2 gigabytes. So you just need to have fast connection to download it and install, and after just click to download and install here, and wait until the system will automatically download iOS 14 on your phone and just install it on your phone. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.